Welcome to S2N IAS. So we have seen one program which is India doing very prestigiously recently. What is it? It is Chandrayaan-3, India's third lunar exploration mission. What is it? It's a third lunar exploration mission. Okay. Who is doing it? ISRO. So ISRO is crossing the new frontiers by demonstrating soft landing on lunar surface by its lunar module and demonstrating revolving of the lunar terrain. Okay, it is expected to support to ISRO's future interplanetary missions. Okay, we know what we are sending. We are sending a rover to lunar like moon. So it's going to be doing excavations there or exploration there, and it's going to send us some of the pictures or samples. Okay, this is what lunar mission is about, and Chandrayaan-3 is about. Let us see how this is going to be happen and how what is the rover and what is the lander. Let us see, go further. Okay, the mission is a fourth operational mission M4 of LVM3 launcher. Okay, this is the fourth operational mission, as Chandrayaan-3 is the fourth operational mission of LVM3 launcher. Let us see, the Chandrayaan-3 interplanetary mission has three major modules. What it is having? The Chandrayaan-3 is interplanetary mission is having three major modules. So you need to have this technical clarity about this one. So what are the modules? Okay, the first one is propulsion module, lander module, and the rover. Okay, let us see what is the propulsion module, lander, and rover. Okay, the Chandrayaan-3 will reach the lunar orbit. Its lander is Vikram, which is named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and rover is of Pragyan. I'd like to land on the moon on August. Still, it is in its approach. Okay, it is still traveling. We have launched it in. Okay, so it is going in its travel. So it will land on August 23rd. So August 23rd. So it is going to be historical moment for India. All the plan has to be going on according to the plan. Let's go further. A rover. Let us see what is a rover. What is a rover role? Okay, a rover is a type of robotic vehicle. A rover is a type of robotic vehicle designed to explore the surface of celestial bodies such as planets, moons, and asteroids. Okay, so, such as planets, moons, and asteroids. Rover is a type of robotic vehicle designed to explore the surface of celestial bodies such as planets, moons, and asteroids. We have sent Mars also. So we have sent this one to the moon now. So we are doing what? We are going to explore the possibilities. What are the possibilities? What are the things are there in the moon? Is it habitable, or it is having, what are the minerals are there? So what are the impacts? Is it having water resource? So like this, all these things we are going to, our rover is going to explore the moon now. Okay, let's go further. Exploring the moon. Let's see how it is going to exploring the moon. Moon is close to our planet. As we are very close to us, moon is very close to our planet. To test the space technologies for space missions. Why we are only exploring moon? Because it is very near to us. So that would be easy for us to for the funding also, like we could spend less amount of money than when we compare to the Mars. So we could reach the moon very within the cost, so that for the exploring of the space we need a place. So these space technologies can be tested upon the moon, which is very close to our planet, to explore the achieve better understanding of extraterritorial territories. So moon is going to be one of the objects for us. So if we could trace on other extraterrestrial territories from this one. Okay, through this one. And ISRO advancement of technologies inspire future scientists. So the ISRO's advancement of technologies, like we have seen the Mars mission, and now we are doing Chandrayaan-3. It is going to be inspiring the very younger generation and offsprings also, to inspire future scientists and promote international alliances, because of success ratio of our ISRO planetary missions. Okay, so we could get collaboration with many countries. So that would be economically beneficial for us also. So India is going to be partnered with international exposure. Okay, international alliances as well. Let's go for the unexplored moon. Why we are only exploring the moon? Because, okay, unexplored, because the moon is unexplored due to their rugged environment. Because moon is not the picture what we see in our sky in the nights, but it is rugged environment. The polar regions of the moon have remained unexplored. The polar regions of the moon is remain unexplored. There are indications of presence of ice molecules in substantial amounts in the deep craters of this in these regions. Okay, there are indications. We have seen some indications regarding this one in the research. So the ice molecules of substantial amounts in the deep craters in this region, in the polar regions. Okay, which was unexplored till now. Let's go further. In 2008, Chandrayaan-1 mission indicated the presence of water on the lunar surface with the help of two instruments on board. Okay, so we have detected that what is present in 2008 mission in Chandrayaan-1. Now, which mission is going on? It's a Chandrayaan-3. We are sending a rover to it. Okay, let us see. So the region and polar regions are, there are some areas so which are polar regions, so very different from difficult in terrain, so which is not very easy terrain. It was a very different and difficult terrain. Okay, many parts lie in completely dark region where the sunlight never reaches. Okay, because of a tilt in its axis, so the where the sunlight never reaches and temperatures are go below 230 degrees Celsius. Okay, can go below 230 degrees. The temperatures could be less than about 230 degrees Celsius. Okay, lack of sunlight and extremely low temperatures create difficulty in the operation of instruments. So when the temperature is not adaptable, so it's going to be problematic for exploration also. So this is one of the difficult terrain in the polar regions of the moon. Let's see. In addition, there are large craters of over the place, ranging from few centimeters in size to extending several thousands of kilometers. There are large craters in the over the place, ranging from few centimeters in size to extending of 1,000 kilometers. Let's go further. Permanently shadowed regions, the PSRs. What are these PSRs? PSRs on the moon are areas that receive little or no direct sunlight due to the peculiarities of the moon topography. Okay, so these are the areas which do not receive or very little receiver of the sunlight. Okay, in the moon's topography and its axial tilt. Because of its axial tilt, we get a less amount of sunlight or no sunlight as well. Okay, whose spin axis tilted with respect to the plane of the Earth's solar orbit of by 23.5 degrees. So how it is tilted, the axis is tilted about 23.5 degrees. The moon's axis tilts only 1.5 degrees. Okay, where the spin axis tilted about with respect to the plane of Earth solar orbit is 23.5. The moon axis tilts only 1.5. Because of this difference, we don't get sunlight. Okay, in those regions. These regions are located primarily near the lunar poles, especially the South Pole and the North Pole. So because of this one, the South Pole and North Pole is maybe having a water in it, ice deposits may be having, and these are characterized by the deep craters and depressions that are constantly in shadow. Because of these reasons, the PSS are available in polar regions. Okay, so this is about the Chandrayaan mission and what is going to be explored. So it's going to be reached there in by August. Okay, for we are sending a rover and a lander which is going to be usefully helping for a landing, proper landing of it one that was named after Vikram, and rover is a Pragyan. Okay, thank you.